guys, I'm Tom from Charred Kitchen and I'm here today with Woody Oven cooking some of my favourite bits. We're going to do the beef shin first. It's one of our favourite pizzas on the menu. We're going to start off with slicing up some red onion as fine as possible. Beef shin is a really savoury flavour and the pairings that I'm putting it with balance it really well. We've got some spicy roquitos in there and then some creamy blue cheese. So we're going on with some crushed tomatoes with a little bit of salt in them. Then we're going to go on with a little bit of mozzarella. Then we've got our braised beef shin. We're going to go on with our blue cheese. This is quite a soft blue cheese, so it melts really nicely and it gets into the tomato sauce, so it turns really creamy and it's all blended in together. Now we're going to go on with some roquito peppers. These are sweet and spicy peppers from South America. And then finally, our finely sliced red onions and a little bit of olive oil to finish it off. There we go. Bit of pecorino all around the crust. Cut up a little bit of coriander on the top. Olive oil around the crust just to finish it off nicely. And there you have it, our beef shin with roquito peppers, red onion, blue cheese, and finished with a little bit of coriander and pecorino.